Yep, as you can see, all the new parts. And all the old parts that are coming out. Well, the GPU is staying and the SSD is staying. Everything else, arrivederci, scram, beat it. Let's see what happens. Gotta unscrew this. There it goes. I didn't want it to come out that way, but that's the stuff that happens. That's gone. That's the screw, obviously. Oh, so then this is the only thing I hate is back here. I never reach. I can never find it. And that's back there someplace. No. I'll get back to you. Well, what's giving me issues is this. This thing right here. Giving me issues. Why? That one. The guy said buy this one because it's the best one, right? I listened to him, but he didn't say it was a complication with all this stuff. At least it came with thermal paste. To do. Well, I continue and I will show you soon. Well, got the radiator in for one fan. This one is going to be the intake, but I don't know if to put both intakes in or this one to receive out, so I'll figure it out. That was one of the cards. We just got to push it in. Let's see if we do it right. One is in. Other one in. So far so good. Didn't break nothing. This is nerve-wracking. Here's the other card. Wish I had better lighting, but the son's room is pretty dark. He's gothic. There it goes. And there it goes. Is it in all the way? Let's make sure. There it goes. Sorry for the camera angles. But we have a mess. Yes, I am messy when I'm building things. The moment of truth. Here it is, the moment of truth. We had so many issues because his M2 card wasn't compatible. I had to take mine out. It booted up a few minutes ago. Let's see if it boots now. It's cycling. As you see the little red dot cycling. It's on boot and erase. And there we go, folks. Finally, after like maybe 4 hours, and I'm cheating because we was really long ago. And I went to cook, and he cooked also.